Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn about the substitution cipher, a simple but powerful way to hide messages. A substitution cipher replaces every letter with a different letter. Think of it as a secret map from the normal alphabet to a secret alphabet. Here is a simple example called the Caesar cipher, where every letter shifts forward by 3. Now let us encrypt the word cat using the +3 shift. We move each letter forward by 3. To decrypt, we go backward by 3. If we receive the code FDW, we move back to get CAT. We do not have to shift in order. We can scramble the entire alphabet. For example, A could map to Q, B could map to X, and C could map to J. This is a random substitution key. Here is a full example of a random key. The top row is the normal alphabet, and the bottom row is the secret alphabet. Let us encrypt the word math using this random map. We look up each letter one by one. Now, decrypting is just reversing the math. If we receive D, Q, Z, I, we find each letter in the secret row and read the normal letter above it. A random substitution cipher is harder to crack than a simple shift because there are an enormous number of possible secret maps. As long as both people share the same key, they can send messages that are hidden from everyone else.